dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to discuss few MCQs from chapter Plant Kingdom. So let's get started without wasting any time. Let's move to the first question. A freshwater green alga rich in protein is option A. Eulothrix, option B. Chlorella, option C. Chlamydomonas, option D. Spirogyra. The correct option is option B. Chlorella. Let's move to the second question. After fertilization, the zygote of a seed plant becomes option A. Fruit, option B. Embryo, option C. Seed, option D. Ovule. The correct option is option B. Embryo. Let's move to the third question. A pine seed has cotyledons and tissue from the option A. Male gametophyte, option B. Female gametophyte, option C. Megasporangium, option D. Pollen grain. The correct answer is option B. Female gametophyte. Let's move to the fourth question. A prokaryotic autotrophic nitrogen fixing symbiont found in option A. Pisum, option B. Ulnus, option C. Cycas, option D. Sisser. The correct option is option C. Cycas. Let's move to the fifth question. Algae having oil as reserve food belongs to option A. Xanthophyceae, option B. Rhodophyceae, option C. Chlorophyceae, option D. Phaeophyceae. The correct option is option A. Xanthophyceae. Let's move to the sixth question. Antheridia and Archegonia are sex organs of option A. Moss, option B. Mucor, option C. Spirogyra, option D. Puccinia. The correct option is option A. Moss. Let's move to the seventh question. Archegoniophore is found in option A. Funaria, option B. Mercantia, option C. Chara, option D. Adiantum. The correct option is option B. Mercantia. Let's move to the eighth question. Archegonium is absent in option A. Thallophyta, option B. Pteridophyta, option C. Bryophyta, option D. Gymnosperms. The correct option is option A. Thallophyta. Let's move to the ninth question. Chlorenchyma develops in option A. Mycelium of a green mold such as Aspergillus, option B. Cytoplasm of Chlorella, option C. Capsule of a moss, option D. Pollen tube of Pinus. The correct option is option C. Capsule of a moss. Let's move to the 10th question. Chloroplast of Chlamydomonas is option A. Collar shaped, option B. Cup shaped, option C. Stellate shaped, option D. Spiral shaped. The correct option is option B. Cup shaped. Let's move to the 11th question. Chloroplast of Eulothrix is option A. Ribbon shaped and spirally coiled, option B. Laminate, option C. Stellate, option D. Girdle shaped. The correct option is option D. Girdle shaped. Let's move to the 12th question. Compared with the gametophytes of the bryophytes, the gametophytes of vascular plants tend to be option A. Smaller and to have smaller sex organs, option B. Smaller but to have larger sex organs, option C. Larger but to have smaller sex organs, option D. Larger and to have larger sex organs. The correct option is option A. Smaller and to have smaller sex organs. Let's move to the 13th question. Consider the following 4 statements whether they are correct or wrong. The sporophyte in liverworts is more elaborate than in mosses. B. Salvinia is heterosporous. C. The life cycle in all seed-bearing plants is diplontic. D. In Pinus male and female cones are born on different trees. The 2 wrong statements together are option A. Statements B and C, Option B, statements A and B. Option C, statement A and C. Option D, statements A and D. The correct answer is option D, statements A and D. Question 14. Corn and beans are often cited as representative examples of, respectively. Option A, ferns and mosses. Option B, cycads and conifers. Option C, monocots and dicots. Option D, whisk ferns and horsetails. The correct option is option C, monocots and dicots, respectively. Question 15. Fern gametophyte is nutritionally. Option A, chemoautotroph. Option B, parasite. Option C, sporophyte. Option D, photoautotroph. The correct option is option D, photoautotroph. That's it for today, friends. Hope you find it more helpful. Please do watch, like and share to your friends if you find it more helpful. Thank you, bye-bye, take care and please subscribe to my channel.